Good morning student. We will continue our chapter 6 factorization of algebraic expression. Okay, now see, today we will solve the factorization of like this type of form x square plus bx plus c. It means first term is always the square of something. Second term and third term we will decide like this. If first term is the square of something, it means you will get the answer or you will get the factor like this. Maybe here sign plus minus. Here we are taking all are positive, that's why I write down plus sign. That x plus something, x plus something. Now how to find out the value of these things, these terms? We are taking one example. Suppose x square plus 4x plus 4. Then how to solve? If you compare, then what is the value of b here? B is equal to 4 and c is equal to also 4. It means you have to do c constant term here, factor of 4. Factor of 4, 1, 2 and 4. These three factors of 4. Then we will use the factor of 4 something like it this, that product of these things becomes 4 and sum of these two factors, these two terms also becomes 4x, 4 here. What is the meaning of this? If I write down one into 4, then can we find out 1 into 4? That's something like if we do 1 plus 4, then it becomes 5. 1 into 4 is equal to 4, right? Plus, but if you take 1 plus 4, then it equals to 5. But we need here 4. Now, if I take 1 into 2, then also note 2 into 2, then 2 2s are 4. And 2 plus 2 also equals to 4. It means product of these factors should be the equal to 4 and sum of these factors also equal to 4. The value middle one 4x. Then how to write down x square plus this 4x we got it by 2 plus 2. It means we can take 2x plus 2x plus this one 4 as it is. X common, x plus 2 plus 2 common, x plus 2. This become x plus 2 into x plus 2. Or you can solve this question by this one identity also, x whole square plus 2 whole square plus 2 into x into 2, it means it is the x plus 2 whole square. Okay, we will take another example for more clarify. X square plus 9x plus 20. In this question see, firstly see constant term is 20. Then what is the 20 factor? 1, 2, 4, 5, 20 itself, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It means these are the factor of this. In these factors, we have to take multiplication of two factors that should be equal to 20. It means इन फैक्टर्स में से हमें ऐसे दो फैक्टर लेने हैं जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें 20 मिल जाए एंड वी वांट प्लस 20. सो इफ आई राइट डाउन 1 into 20 may be possible, 2 into 10 possible, 4 into 5 possible, then 5 into 4 possible, 10 into 2 possible, 20 into 1 possible. It means these factors are possible for finding out the 20. There should be the positive sign. दोनों फैक्टर्स के पॉजिटिव साइन कब आ सकते हैं मल्टीप्लाई करने पर, या तो दोनों टर्म्स पॉजिटिव हो या फिर दोनों टर्म्स नेगेटिव हो. तो इन बोथ केस वी कैन गेट positive 20. But now come here on the second term plus 9x. This is the plus sign here. It means check here in this firstly whose two terms when you add then you will get the 9. 1 plus 20 21 or 1 minus 20 then 19. Means we don't need this one factor. 2 into 10, 10 plus 2, 12, or if you take 10 minus 2 then 8, but we need 9. 4 plus 5, 9. It means from these two factors we can get 9. Now see, we need the plus 9. It means if I take both plus, then I can get plus 20 and plus 4 plus 5 is equal to plus 9. It satisfies the both condition. If I take this one, minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to also minus 20. But minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. It shows this one condition, but this one is not true for this question. So, this one solution we will take. How to apply now? X square plus 4 plus 5, then we will add multiply by x also plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. Then you can get easily your factors x plus 4 in both common 5, it also x plus 4. See, now common factor is x plus 4, then remaining is x plus 5. Then x plus 4 multiply by x plus 5. More examples see. X square plus 7x plus 12. See the factor of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. How you can get 12? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 4, 12, then again 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1, like this. Now see, we want plus 12. So maybe this one, or maybe when you will do practice enough, then you can do mentally. You can solve these questions mentally. Then there is no need to do these all. This is only for explanation because you are doing the first time this type of question. Okay, now see, maybe this one or maybe this one we can follow. Now see the middle one, we need the plus 7. Then firstly try by plus sign. How you can get the 7? 12 plus 3, 13. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. Here also it means this one we can't take. 3 plus 4, 7, minus 3 minus 4, it means minus 7. So, if you take 3 multiply by 4, 12, 3 plus 4, 7. But if you apply this one, minus 3 into minus 4, this is also equal to 12, but minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. But our intention to find out to plus 12 and plus 7. This is plus 12 minus 7, so this becomes wrong. So what we will do, apply here, x square plus this one become 3x plus 4x plus 12, x common, x plus 3 plus 4, x plus 3. Then it become x plus 3 multiply by x plus 4. X plus 3 here common factor, so remaining x plus 4. When your b value is positive. Now we will do the next type of question. If it is given to you x square minus 7x plus 12. You already seen in the previous question that you will get when you do 3 4 the 12. But here we have two conditions, 3 into 4 minus 3 into minus 4 also equal to 12, because this is plus 12. But the next, if I do both plus, then it becomes 7, minus 3 minus 4 become minus 7. Now which one condition we can apply for our question? This one, because we want plus 12 here and b value minus 7 here. So minus 7 or here 12. It means we write down x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. X common, x minus 3 minus 4, x minus 3. You minus take on common, then this plus change into minus. Then your answer is x minus 3 into x minus 4. Okay, now see the next type of question when your c is negative. Same, plus 24 factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Okay, this type we find out the factor of these 24. We need the factor of 24 and we will multiply that, we can get 5. So we can do minus 24. We have the factor like this. These 4 factors, then again start to repeat. But minus 24 means plus multiply by minus is equal to minus, minus multiply by plus is equal to minus. It means maybe here these are negative, or maybe here this one is negative. Then you can get minus 24. Which one situation we can solve? See here now. But we need in the b plus 5. How we can find out the plus 5? See, if we solve it 1 minus 24, then it becomes minus 23, we don't need. 2 minus 12, minus 10. 3 minus 8, minus 5. See now, this one, you can get the 5, it means in this case, and in this case, you can get 5. Now see, we will take this one condition or this one condition. How to decide it? We need the plus 5. Whenever we want to find out the positive value, then your greater value should be positive. In this 3 or 8, what is the greater value? 8. It means 8 should be positive. So in this case, 8 is positive and 3 is negative. It means easily we can get minus 3 into 8 is equal to minus 24, minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5. So b value minus 24, c value 5, we can get by it. So we write down how to solve. X square minus 3x plus 8x minus 24. X common, x minus 3 plus 8 common, x minus 3. So your common factor is x minus 3, then it becomes x plus 8. These two factors we can write down. If the same question is like this, x square minus 5x minus 24. In this case, we want to get the value of b is equal to minus 5. B value should be minus 5. It means one value. This minus 24 shows that one value is positive and another value is negative. smaller value positive or greater value positive, we will decide by this sign. We want the value be negative. It means between the both value, smaller value should be positive or greater value should be negative. Then if we add these two terms, then we will get the negative answer. So in this case, see, 3 into 8 is equal to minus 24, 3 into minus 8. Now 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. So we write down x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 24, x common, x plus 3 minus 8 common, then x plus 3, then your factor is x plus 3 into x minus 8. So see the sign of B and C properly. According to the sign of B and C, we will solve our factorization. One more example, see now. J square minus 11j minus 102. So firstly do the factor of 102. How to do it? 2 multiply by 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 22. No, 5 also not, 6 6 1s are 6, 42, 6 7s are 42. Then 7 not, 8, 8 1s are 8, 22 not, 9 1s are 9, 12 not, 10 not, 11 not, 12, 12 in 12 table not, 13, 13 8s are, sorry, in 13 table also we can't find out. It means we will get these one term. If you see properly, this becomes 17 2s are 34, 3s are 51, 2 1s are 2, 2 3 6 here. Now see, we need here minus 102. So it means maybe this one form or maybe minus 2 into 51, minus 3 into 34, minus 6 into 17, this one. Now check the sign of B. B sign is negative here. It means जो दो टर्म्स होगी उसमें से जो ग्रेटर वैल्यू है वो नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए. तो किन दो को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 102 आ रहा है? 6 और 17. 334, 31 आएगा माइनस करने पर, ये दिस वन ऑल्सो. इफ यू फाइंड आउट दिस वन, 6 और 17 का डिफरेंस 11. Then now see which one we will take, the 6 positive 17 negative or 6 negative 17 positive. Decide it. We want the difference B value is minus 11. It means one value we have 6, second value we have 17. Then by this the greater value should be negative, then we will get the answer negative. So we can write down 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 11. Now solve this. J square minus 6j minus 17j minus 102. J square common, sorry, j common, remaining j minus 6 minus 17 common, j, sorry, this one plus 6, plus 6, then this becomes j plus 6, j minus 17. This is our answer. So this type we will solve our exercise 6th F. Based on this rule, we will solve our exercise 6th F. Thank you.